Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore rent collection automation with RentRedi easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin restoring rent collection automation with RentRedi, log into your RentRedi account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. On the dashboard, locate and click on the Automations tab. In the Automations section, look for the option labeled Rent Collection. Click on Rent Collection to access the automation settings. If you have previously set up automation, review the existing configurations. To edit an existing automation, click on the specific automation you wish to modify. If you need to create a new automation, select the option to create a new rent collection rule. Now, enter the details for your rent collection, including the amount and due date. Choose whether to send reminders to tenants prior to the due date. Set the frequency for rent collection, such as monthly or bi-weekly. After configuring the settings, review them carefully to ensure accuracy. Once you're satisfied with your entries, click Save to save the automation. Next, ensure that tenants are enrolled in the automation by checking the Tenants section. If tenants need to be added, navigate back to the Tenants tab. Select the tenants you want to enroll in rent collection automation. Now, confirm their enrollment into the automation by clicking Add to Automation. Lastly, verify that everything is set up correctly by checking the Your rent collection automation is now successfully restored and ready to streamline your processes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.